India, today, stands as a resplendent example of rapid economic transformation and unwavering progress in the contemporary global scenario. Our nation is emerging as a formidable economic powerhouse driven by innovation, industrialization, and digitalization. The trajectory of India's growth is not merely linear, but exponential, reflecting resilience, determination, and visionary leadership. Firstly, the proliferation of technology has catalyzed unprecedented development. Digital India initiatives have revolutionized communication, governance, and financial inclusion. Even in rural areas, people are becoming digitally empowered, thereby enhancing productivity and efficiency. This technological renaissance has significantly contributed to economic expansion. Secondly, India's demographic dividend plays a pivotal role. With a youthful population, the country possesses immense potential for labor force expansion and entrepreneurial ventures. Startups are flourishing across sectors, showcasing ingenuity, and creativity. This vibrant ecosystem is attracting global investors and boosting economic dynamism. Moreover, infrastructural development has been remarkable, from highways to railways and smart cities. The government is investing heavily in modernizing the nation. Such advancements enhance connectivity, reduce logistical challenges, and stimulate trade and commerce. Infrastructure acts as the backbone of economic growth, ensuring sustainable development. In addition, India's foreign trade policies are becoming increasingly liberalized, encouraging exports and strengthening international relations. The nation is actively participating in global markets, thereby enhancing its economic stature and credibility. This integration with the global economy accelerates growth and opens new avenues. However, challenges persist, such as unemployment, inflation, and income inequality. Addressing these issues requires strategic planning, inclusive policies, and consistent efforts. Sustainable growth can only be achieved when development is equitable and benefits all sections of society. Furthermore, education and skill development are crucial for long-term prosperity. Investing in human capital enhances productivity and fosters innovation. A skilled workforce is indispensable for maintaining economic momentum and global competitiveness. In conclusion, India's growing economy is a testament to its resilience, adaptability, and ambition. The journey is filled with opportunities as well as challenges, but with collective effort and visionary governance, the nation is poised to achieve unparalleled heights. India's economic ascent is not just a national phenomenon, but a global inspiration, shaping the future of the world. Building upon this momentum, India continues to embrace structural reforms that strengthen its economic framework. Policies such as taxation reforms and financial regulations are being streamlined to enhance transparency, efficiency, and accountability. These measures foster investor confidence and create a conducive environment for sustainable growth. Simultaneously, the agricultural sector, which remains the backbone of India's economy, is undergoing modernization. Farmers are adopting advanced techniques, irrigation systems, and digital tools to increase productivity and income. The integration of technology in agriculture ensures food security and strengthens rural prosperity. Additionally, India's manufacturing sector is witnessing a renaissance through initiatives like Make in India. These efforts aim to transform the country into a global manufacturing hub by encouraging domestic production and reducing dependency on imports. India is enhancing its economic self-reliance. Furthermore, the service sector continues to dominate India's GDP. Information technology, banking, tourism, and healthcare are expanding rapidly. Indian professionals are making a significant impact globally, showcasing excellence excellence, and expertise. This sector not only generates employment, but also contributes immensely to foreign exchange earnings. Equally important is the rise of financial inclusion. Millions of citizens now have access to banking services, digital payments, and credit facilities. This inclusion empowers individuals and promotes economic participation across all levels of society. At the same time, environmental sustainability is gaining prominence. India is investing in renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. The transition towards green energy not only reduces environmental impact, but also creates new economic opportunities.